part of this day is to ignite the flames within all of you.
We are here for you to show you that what seems impossible is possible.
You are gonna have some amazing women that we had take time out of their day to come here and sit with you and provide mentorship. It took me a very long time in my career to be in the room with the right women to ask the right questions, and you're doing it in high school.
We're never too old or too young to learn. So be open-minded, take it in.
Everybody has a story. And I think the most important thing we can do as women is own it. You got your story, I got mine. You do you, I do me. And you can be who you are and do great things in the world without being a follower.
So I want you guys to be confident. I know you heard that multiple times today. You have to be confident, work on your confidence, because no one can make you change your opinion of you when you truly know who you are.
What happens when you put courage, commitment, and confidence together? Do you know what happens? You become unstoppable. Are you unstoppable?
Don't know the time, I'm letting go. I wanna find someone to love. I feel alive, I think you know. We're getting down, we're getting low. Low, low, low. We're getting down, we're getting low.
So understand, whoever picked you to be here, it's a reason. But you all belong in this room. Do you? And make sure you love on yourself. Self-worth. Have a good night.